What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So right now, people were there in the morning, early up and rising, you understand? And I kind of give back my roster local contract people. So if you don't hear me in the morning right now, you don't know, say, him the back pan the works, you understand? Because a long time we not give him the works, you know, people. No joke thing about it, because things not so good in the business, you understand? So viewers and subscribers, right about now, people, I have an article right in front of my viewers and subscribers. And me I tell you, say, boy, I one of them articles when NEWLINK come across and me have to say, Jaja, just see I know, is this for real or is this a joke? But people, it's an article in front of me. You understand? That was published out there. And we have a talk in Jamaica, people. When enough people that talk about say, cousin and cousin boil good soup. But that one name, uncle, you understand, and niece all a boil soup and run down together. Well, people, none of it no real. You understand? Enough it happen. No cousin, no uncle, or nothing of a boil, no good soup, no run down. No, sir. Attack NEWLINK. Well, viewers and subscribers, this article in front of me right now, people, me I tell you, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, because this a niece I said, no, people, that she in love with her uncle. Only just sees and he knows. Read attacking boss, go on through. I am in love with my uncle. Article me I read people. No NEWLINK said that. Okay. I have a problem. I want to relate to you. I consider you the right person to talk to about this matter. I am 25 years old and I have a deep love in my heart for my uncle. What kind of love you got now? He knows I love him and he loves me. When I was 19, I went to stay with him. He gave me my own room and he had his own room. His wife was away for a few days and she knew that I was there. My parents did not think anything was wrong with me going there. He was my special uncle and I was his special niece. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, yeah, you know. From the time I was a child, he has given me anything I needed and he helped me to send me to school. So when I went to visit him, several times during the night I would go into his room and stay with him. I remember him asking me why I like to come into his bed and I would laugh. First I would play with his beard and then the hair on his stomach. Jaja City, attack. Whoa, yo. I did that the first night and fell asleep. Then I went to my bed after he fell asleep. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. But another night while I was rubbing him down, he started rubbing me too. Not only on my breast, but also on my vagina. I end up having sex with my uncle. Jesus and peace. What is that I say, people? I end up having sex with my uncle. Attack. Jesus, I'm launching it out NEWLINK. And afterwards, he said, look what you made me do. Several times after that, we had sex, but we only had unprotected sex the first time. Before I went to spend time with him, I had a boyfriend. He does not know that I cheated on him, and I will never tell him. To this very day, if I need anything, I can always call on my uncle. He always asks when I am getting married. I can never forget this man. Although my boyfriend takes good care of me, he can never take the place of my uncle. Once in a while, I dream that my uncle has me in his arms, and it looks so real, but it is not. Please tell me what to do. Jesus. No, sir. People, viewers, subscribers, attacking team, attacking boss, launch the attack. Attack, on the family ram. Jesus, peace, NEWLINK. Oh my world, oh my precious. Look at this Jamaica. I can't believe this in my eyes right now, people. No, sir. Look at this, Jamaica. No, sir. People, these are really the last days. These are really the final days. A fun she have when she write the article to the editor. A fun she must have to rotate, people. No, sir. A attack for Uno. That's the only thing I can say right now. It's straight attack for Uno. Uncle attack for you too. You, Miss Girl, who is 25-year-old now and do it when you are 19, attack for you. Wrong move you make uncle. You need an attack too. Zine? And number one, what she are doing in your bed? She's 19. You understand? You give her a room and she come in there, you go make sure rub down beat and boy you go your bed. Then you go come to me next time and go rub back and touch back. It in your mind, in your heart too. What you mean, uncle? It in your mind, in your heart too. And after that you keep on doing it. Jaja City, come here attacking boss, launch it, attack. Whole family thinking, Koya no man, A whole heap of them something I go on a Jamaica, people. You understand? And not just Jamaica, in the Caribbean, because we heard about this story how much time. Sometimes I reach to even daddy and pickini, even grandpa and grandpickini. But look at you, Me not think I no lie, she tell people. A real thing. Because these things happened. We heard about them a lot of times. Zine? But we don't can't tell the people, oh, some mankind are tan. Nature turn up strong, they say, In the business, number one, wrong move. From the time people him in a film bedroom and she come across and come in at the bed. Number one, your uncle stand up. No, I gave you a room. What you doing here? Then I go talk about rub down chest and rub down beard. Then you go sleep and you go sleep. Then the next day, uncle in something, man, he want to do it, but him just afraid to make the first move. He got eyes on it long time. He been watching it, people, secretly undercover like a little snake, like a little rat, a peep through a hole. You know what I mean? He just a pray for that moment happen. But it do happen. It in a bloody in a gene. I saw the look at the thinking tan. It can't change. I saw it tan. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. No sir. A straight attack for the two of Uno. No joke with the attack NEWLINK. Beat it out NEWLINK. Attack. Pure attack for Uno. Cousin and cousin boil. Good soup. Uncle and niece while. Good rundown and ton Carmila, Lasco porridge. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. What kind of mix-up thing them here? Boy, I really did. I ain't that times to rotate NEWLINK. No, sir. Is this for real? All she talk about, she still have dream on it. Even though she know it not real. Her boyfriend take good care of her. But she does have something special for the uncle. Mine are not uncle, mine a jacket and jacket get on. Boy, I mean I know people. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and the people. But these are Jamaica biggest and dirty thinking family ram. Enough love, people. I remember, please subscribe. You understand? I remember, tap that notification bell icon. So as the attacking boss drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and Twitter, NEWLINK Production, people. Peace, love, respect, be good, be great and be safe out there for the entire people. And look out, the old family ram they out there. Peace out. Attack!